Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the light machine gun in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the receiver area first. So this is going to be right above the trigger. So we're just going to draw a long rectangle like this. And then we're going to come across and then just stop and give yourself a little bit of space. And this is going to be where the magazine is going to be, okay? And then from here, I'm drawing the drum for the magazine. Okay, so we're going to close it. Alright, so let's draw the trigger so we know where we are. So right here, we're going to come back. This is the handle. We're going to come back. And then we're going to hook it. Then we're going to come up, and that's going to be where the trigger is going to be. So we're going to stop and just come across, and then we're just going to go back up. Okay, and then we're going to give this line some thickness here. So we're going to come down. This is easy, just the same thing. Then we're just going to go up. And then let's draw the trigger itself. So just a little hook in here. And then on the grip itself, there's going to be some detail. So I'm just going to draw in few of these lines. Okay, so now we know where we are, and on the drum itself there's gonna be some details because it's angular. We'll just draw that, and then let's add in, looks like we can add in, okay, let's draw this first. Just a little bit of detail. Little screw there, and then right in the middle, just gonna draw one line straight across. And then we're gonna add in a little rectangle here, and this is the where the shells come out. There's a little bit of detail. Okay, so there's a lot of little stuff, and let's add in just one more line across. All right, so that's the front part. I mean the trigger part. So now let's draw the handle before we draw the rest of the gun. So right here, we're just gonna come out with a rectangle, and then we're gonna draw this metal piece here, and it's gonna go straight and then kind of curve it, go up, and then just hook it back a little bit. Right, and then from here just go out, and we're just gonna give this some thickness. So this is just gonna be one long metal piece. We're gonna close it off, and now we're gonna draw the grip, the handle. So just extend it out a little bit and just flare it out. Okay, and then come back in. And then on the handle, there's gonna be a little bit of this little wavy line on it. So just go all the way around and come back. All right, so now that we have this, we can draw the rest of the gun. So the rest of the gun is actually very boxy. So from here, we're just gonna continue this. We're gonna go pretty far out. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna go up a little bit. And then again, we're gonna go pretty far out. And then we're just gonna close this. And now we're gonna divide it into pretty much like 3 sections. So you can draw one line here. So 3 parts, 1, 2, and then another line here. Okay, and then on the top here, there's gonna be circles. So I'm just gonna draw, I think there's a total of 5, but I'm just gonna draw 4. And just try to space it out as much as you can evenly. Okay, so that's 4, and then down here there's gonna be all these little patterns, and well, let's start on this side so you can see what I'm trying to draw. So we just go up. So we're just drawing these little rectangles. All right, so I'm just gonna keep going and try to draw them the same size if you can. I know it's a little bit tricky. Okay, and then one more, so you can't see that one. All right, so there's different patterns, and then on the bottom there's gonna be a different pattern too. So on the bottom right here, just draw 2 lines first, and I'm gonna give a couple of screws here, and then on the bottom it's just a lot of these lines. So 2 lines, and just kind of space it out a little bit. This is the grip. All right, And then let's add in, or let's draw in the front because there's some more details up here, but we can do that later. All right, so on the bottom here, we're gonna draw one rectangle, and then on the top here, we're gonna try to continue that line. I'll draw another one, and this is where the barrel is gonna be. Okay, so we're gonna keep going. One, and on the bottom as well, we're gonna keep going, same thing. And then here we'll draw one more bigger. Then we're gonna go one more bigger. Okay, and then we're gonna connect these two. All right, so this is the bottom. We're gonna one more and then one more. I know it's a lot of different little tubes, right? And then here, so this is the barrel itself. We're gonna go longer. Close it off. And then now we're gonna give it a little bit of flare. So go out a little bit. And then just flare it out ever slightly. All right, so that's the barrel, and there's gonna be a sight here. So we draw one line, shorter line, just go up at a slant, and then close it. And then come up one more. And then there's some detail in here. This is actually a hole. All right, so let's draw in the little stand here, the little kickstand. So here we can draw in a circle, and we'll draw in the box around it later. So this is the leg. Just go straight down, close it off. Smaller rectangle, and then the foot is gonna be longer. And then now you just kind of draw in a little bracket around it. All right, so that's pretty much the front of the gun. So let's see, let's add in, there's some more details up here. We're gonna go up one more. We're just gonna go straight across and then just add a little bit of these. So the rail on the top. All right. So now we're gonna go back and let's see, there's some more detail up here. We're gonna go up, curve it, draw that, circle, circle, and then again, another line here. And same thing, we're gonna draw these little railings. All right, so let's draw the stock is on the back. So we're almost done. So we're just gonna go straight out, come down a little bit, draw a big circle, come down, just go straight across. And then now we're gonna draw a slant this way. Slant it down a little bit, and then this one's gonna go down. Let me move this paper a little bit, and then just a little bit more angle, and then we're gonna go back up, come across, and then just give this a nice curve like this. It's supposed to be curvy, and then here we can draw in this little arc like that, and then here now we can add in the little rubber stock piece on the back, and then there's going to be a little bit of a hook here. Go up and then give this line some thickness. And that is it for this light machine gun in Fortnite. It's definitely a very cool looking gun. So hope you guys enjoy this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.